In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build using chatbotbuilder.ai powerful quizzes or questionnaires that your audience or your users can take on so they get asked a bunch of questions in order to help them find the best product for their needs. So that's an example of a test quiz that I just built using ChatGPT. So I'm still using the example of security.org for a VPN affiliate website. So here you're going to see that we're going to ask the users a bunch of questions so that the AI can offer them to see the best VPN for their needs. So here ChatGPT created 8 or 9 questions. So we're going to go through the questionnaire first, and then I'm going to show you how to build it. So what do you mostly want to do with a VPN? Keep browsing safe. How many devices do you want to protect with your VPN? I have a lot of devices. Which devices do you plan to use with your VPN? All of the above. As I said, I have a lot of devices. How important is speed to you? I need fast speeds. Who doesn't need fast speeds in 4K? What's your budget for a VPN? Let's go for mid-range. How easy should the VPN be to use? I'm okay with a few options, with a few settings to customize it. Do you want your VPN to be based in a specific country? Yes, everything except the major surveillance regions, the Five Eyes and all of that. Would you like your VPN to help you access content from a specific country? Yes, I'm not against streaming features. Do you have any specific needs or preferences for your VPN? Yeah, I just want something that's easy and reliable. Boom. So here you can see that based on my answers, and it's actually quite accurate. If you need something that is unlimited, usually Surfshark is the best option. We ask for, the budget was mid-range, $5 to $10 a month. That's perfect for Surfshark. It's they're operating outside of the Five Eyes, so outside of the major surveillance regions. It's very accurate. So once the questionnaire is finished, we passed on all these answers to the AI, and I'm going to show you how I built a specific flow which is going to trigger and show them the best VPN. It's showing them a card or a carousel with the best VPN for their needs. You can add some explanations. So if you've watched my previous videos, you can add up to 3 buttons. So you can have like an affiliate link with a CTA. This is going straight to the Surfshark website as an affiliate link. I didn't add it here, but you can add like a link to a YouTube video to load up the YouTube video review. You can add a link to the test of Surfshark VPN. Very, very powerful, and there are a lot of applications depending on your niche and your type of affiliate site. Let's jump straight into it. I'm going to show you how I build this questionnaire. So in order to create a quiz or a questionnaire, you need to go inside chatbotbuilder.ai marketing features, and you should look for questionnaires. So this is where I build the quiz. So that's the quiz that I built, VPN user profile. So this is how you want to create your quiz. We're going to build the flow that is triggered at the end of the quiz. So this is where you're going to select the right flow that we're going to build. And you also want to tick this box, which is save data to a custom field. So you can also give points for each question answered, but this is not for the type of application we're looking for. You basically just need to tick this box. And then for each question, you want to put the question here in this field, and then you want to select multiple choice answers, and then you're going to have the option to click here on options and just input all the answers, the multiple choices answers that you want to provide the users. So it's pretty straightforward. And you want to save all these answers into a special cuff. They're called cuffs, so custom fields. They're also called variables in other tools like VoiceFlow or BotPress, but they're called custom fields with chatbotbuilder.ai. So here I'm saving all the answers into a custom field or a variable which is called quiz answers. So I've been through all the questions that ChatGPT has provided me with. I ticked multiple choice and I input all the possible answers, and I make sure it's always saved to the same custom field. So pretty straightforward. ChatGPT has done a rather long questionnaire for me. You can obviously tweak this to your liking. Once you're done, you want to save the quiz here. And we're going to build the flow that is associated to that quiz that is going to be triggered at the end of the quiz. So the first block is going to be an OpenAI block. So this is where you want to use OpenAI intelligence and features. So this is the prompt that I created. It's very straightforward, but you need to pay attention. So here, just to show you, I'm creating an advanced generate text advanced block. It's a block that allows you to tweak the temperature and the maximum number of output tokens. Select the model as well. We use GPT-4o mini. And this is the prompt that I came up with based on the following quiz answers. So all the quiz answers, they're going to be passed on to the AI through that custom field that we just created. So based on the following quiz answers, recommend the most appropriate VPN, could have said VPN service, from the following options. So we only have 4 options. This is because security.org is mostly promoting these 4 top VPNs. So NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, or PIA, Private Internet Access. Consider the user's preferences for streaming, number of devices, budget, ease of use, and specific needs such as privacy or speed. This is related to all the questions we asked during the questionnaire. Here is the user's quiz answers. So here we are passing all the data through the custom field, the variable. The goal of the AI is to provide the name of the VPN that best matches the user's requirements. So the context is the following: NordVPN, best for users who value privacy and security, need a VPN for streaming and wants fast speeds across multiple devices. So you pretty much gonna need to teach the AI how you want to handle the user's responses in order to provide the best recommendation in terms of VPN in that case. So I've given a bunch of criteria for each on how to classify the answers of each user and how to best recommend the best VPN according to their needs. And I finish up with an important instruction. Actually, this is duplicated. I'm gonna remove this. I finish up with an important instruction, which is only format the final recommendation as one of the following VPN names: NordVPN, Surfshark, ExpressVPN, or PIA, Private Internet Access. So what the AI does here is it gets passed on all the user's replies or responses from the quiz, and based on the answers provided, I tell the AI to make a recommendation of the best VPN according to their needs, and it needs to output the answer as the VPN name. That's all I'm asking from the AI. So here is the user message. Based on the following quiz answers, recommend the most appropriate VPN from the following options. So I repeat this important instruction. So this is the custom field where I want the answer created by the AI to be saved. I have other functions that can be triggered here. The best VPN, the one I created in the previous video in case someone asks for the best VPN. And these are my temperature and max output tokens settings. So I'm gonna save this block. The next block is a conditional block. So this is how you create conditional blocks. You just go on your canvas and you double click, you select condition, and it's going to create a conditional block. So this is how a conditional block works. I tell the AI that this is the condition. So this is the custom field that you need to look for. This is the answer you need to look for. So remember, in the block before, we asked the AI to categorize the answers and the best VPN recommended, and to save this recommendation into a quiz underscore analysis custom field. So here the conditions are, you need to look into the quiz analysis, and if the answer is NordVPN, we're going to trigger a specific message that recommends, with a card that recommends NordVPN. If it's Surfshark, we do the same with Surfshark. If it's ExpressVPN, we do the same with ExpressVPN, and so on. You get the idea. So this is how you create a new condition. You just go inside the settings, you look for your custom field. So in this case, it's called analysis, quiz analysis. So you select your custom field is, and it needs to exactly match the answers that you ask the AI to use in that OpenAI block. So here I ask the AI to use the VPN names. So you need to create one for NordVPN. Once you're done, you click enter, you save it, you create another one for ExpressVPN, enter, and you save, and so on for the 3 VPNs. Remember, when you create a new condition, you need to click here on check new condition for each of these new conditions you create. If you click on this button, you're gonna have 2 sets of rules under the same condition, and it's not gonna work. So this button is to have 2 sets of rules to trigger for a specific condition, a more advanced condition. If you want to have different conditions according to different custom fields, you need to click on this button to create additional ones. And the system always creates one in case the user doesn't match any of these conditions, which can happen. But if you've done a good job explaining to the AI what you're expecting from it in that block, OpenAI block before, you should be good. Just in case, as a fail-safe, as NordVPN is the best paying affiliate offer, I've linked this block or this condition, I linked it to the NordVPN card, as it's going to recommend NordVPN by default in case it doesn't know what to recommend. I can probably remove this one, which is unused, as we can see here. And then it's pretty straightforward. I created custom messages where I have the logo of the VPN as an image. I explain why it's a good fit, and then I have all my CTA buttons. You can add a link to the YouTube video if you want, or to the review post. Very powerful. There's a lot of options here. So once you're done with this, you can just save and publish your flow, and this is the flow that you're going to have to go back to your questionnaire or quiz, and this is the flow that you're gonna need to select to be triggered once the questionnaire is completed, once the quiz is finished. So I hope you understand how the quizzes and the questionnaires work with chatbotbuilder.ai. This is a very powerful feature, and there's many applications for this. I hope you found value in this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more pieces of advice, more tutorials on how to leverage chatbots and AI chatbots for your affiliates websites.